My name is Govapend, a.k.a. Stefano Keizers, a.k.a. Donnie Ronnie. And tonight we're gonna play hide and seek. Tonight is the kick-off of the Artist in Residence project. I will host Studium Generale, a special learning program. We'll play hide and seek with over 100 students here in the Auditorium of the TU in Eindhoven. I think hide and seek is a very exciting game. It might sound like children playing it, but in reality we are all hiding and seeking everywhere in our lives.
I expect a lot of fun. Like, I've been studying here for 6 years already, and you use it quite as a study place. So I just hope to find some new nooks and crannies and places where you normally would never come.
We might be able to feel a little bit how many people in this world feel at this moment. When I reach zero, the game starts. 100, 99, 98. 97.
Oh god, het is donker.
96. 95. 94.
It's 100 people and it seems like a very big building, but I still think that there's only so many hiding spots. So I kind of think that all of those hiding spots will be crowded and it's going to be like a real messy thing.
Normally, when playing hide and seek as a kid, I would always just move around, so go from place to place. And my backup option is always just a ladies' toilet.
Yeah, my strategy is to move the lockers, put a plan before it and hide behind the plan.
There was one guy who dressed himself in some like advertisement cardboard tower, and with this tower he walked into the elevator. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, I got you. Wow, dat is echt een goeie. Impressive.
Thanks.
Ja, I got you. 2. Nice. Oh, hoe zijn jullie erin gekomen? Wow. How did you do that? Ja. Oh, 2. Oh. But I got you. Yeah.
Yeah, I was a loser. It was also a bit uncomfortable because I was sitting all the way down and I felt my pants, and each time I heard footsteps I was thinking like, is he it? I was a winner.
I was definitely a loser. It got boring and then we started running around and trying to catch cover, but eventually I got too close.
I got too close also, but then I started running really fast into a lecture hall and then into the lounge.
I don't think I ever sweated this much in my life. Well, this was a very strange experience also for me. Every now and then I lost faith, and every time I did find somebody, it was euphoria all the way.
Dear people, the game is over.
And in the end, if I found somebody, I really felt like a sadist, which is good.